this movie?
Yo, Jungle.
Shut the fuck.
98. It's ours.
Hey yo, regardless of rain or snow, sleet or hail, I kick street tales, choking niggas like I'm Spreewell. Golden State, holding your fate in the palm of my hand, blow you away like it's part of the plan. I gotta call it like I see it, talking like I be it, walking my walk, thugged out, orthopedic, cause I'm soon to be up. Give me room, watch me heat up. Niggas try to stick me like Abdul Uwima, follow the leader, make me go extra hard. Yo, Nori, should I hold back or show the repertoire? Quit at 16 or throwing extra balls just for the non-believers. I show them why it's so hard to reach us. I get pussy with my father's features. Puff heavily, see me at 6'1", weigh $170. Catch me in spots y'all niggas never be. Packed in like Green Bay, Harlem Week to Queens Day. Performing acapella, no DJ. 98 live, no replays. Make it seem easy. So tell a friend and tell a friend that it's them again. Nature, Noriega, wild remedy.
Champagne on the rocks, pouring the Fort Knox Lazarus. Shark salad with carrots, pork chops and applesauce. Twin connection, disrespecting, watch your body cave and pump the shotty gauge and hit the shorty waddy potty training. I ain't playing, I'm truly the worst. Who'll be the first to get his whole body fully reversed? Uzi, you hurt, sleep, you double dead. I'm a bubblehead, I never listen to nothing my mother said. And yo, I hold niggas ransom for money like Johnny Handsome. The son of niggas so long, I think I got a grandson. My passion is money, a stash and a honey that won't ask no questions, but don't blast anybody. That's my kind of girl, kind of world I wanna live in. Not a cell or a prison or in hell. So I'm getting just a little ghetto, where my niggas control the middle and know the riddles of life, while others know only get little.
Rich places, sick places. See my story, 6,666 pages. Wages, I wrote 6 aces. And at the same dice game, I caught 6 cases. All over big faces. Now it's tip laces, ready to dig faces. But the banging ain't a bit spacious. Niggas building up they rib cages. Cats like the rip places, bloody lip tastes. But Kim is a big racist, but I stay in 40 big places. But the world know your girl though. I fuck her off a furlough. Should be up, put me up. All your sales could be luck. Only question for these ducks is, baby girl, could we fuck? You the type that need a wife. I thought LUX told y'all the key to life. Asshole, y'all don't play around. I lay it down, fuck around, I spray around. Flick a biscuit, nigga risk it. My ass, kick a kiss.
Ain't no niggas in the world you know thorough than this. Bust off and sit the hot barrel dead on your lips like 2/3 of a brick. Panero and kiss the crystal white fluffy parts that'll come back quick. See, the plan is to stash y'all, cash y'all. So we so strong, they gotta put it in glass jars. Niggas try to smoke me out, then smoke me out. Cause the rims on my new joint be poking out. I'm about to have no feeling. Shit is deep. They dance with the devil when they sleep. I wake up, gripping the head, wishing the head. Shit that they kick in your ear when your soul drift in the air. My gift is half rotten when I spit it's a tear. That shit is about down my eye. I'm too tired to cry. And I ain't never seen a nigga that's too live to die. They say you get what you ask for. So get it cause you ask for it. A nigga ain't a thief, then he better have the cash for it. And we gon' be around till your body rot. And if the feds brung us in, we get the same time Gotti got.
Hey yo, it's 2 ways into the hood, 1 plane. The other smoking chronic like straight to the brain. Yo, let's get loose, Hennessy straight with tomato juice, Queen Stallions. My guns from the Italians. Now y'all niggas recognize medallions. I play the best hood, OT with Tim Westwood. Used to be on section 8, now my section is good. Thugged out, niggas, we eat as much as we could. And I don't give a fuck what, y'all say my shit. And I don't give a fuck what, you can save your shit. Y'all niggas like extra skin on my dick. Listen to Bob Marley, y'all funny niggas like Steve Harvey. Frontin' live with a weak army. I play the nice guy true, and even smoke with you. But the realness, I ain't got no love for you. That's why I never do a song with you. Not even if your baby moms fuck the crew and promise to give us head, but you swallow it too. I still say no, no is no, no can do. My niggas drinking Haterade, drinking my flow. Yo.
Ready for war, Joe? How you wanna blow they spot? I know these dirty cops that'll get us in if we murder some wop. Hop in your Hummer, the punish is ready. Meet me and Beatles with noodles, we do this do while he's slurping spaghetti. Everybody kiss the fucking floor, Joe, we crack, fuck them all. If they move, noodle, shoot that fucking whore. Dead in the middle of little did we know that we riddle to middleman who didn't do diddly.
It'll be a cold day and how the day I take it now. Make no mistake, for real, I wouldn't hesitate to kill. I'm still a fat one that you love to hate. Catch you at your mother's waist, smack you then I whack you with my stuff, Trier. I'll rub your face off the earth and curse your family's children like Amityville and drill the nerve in your cavity filling. Insanity's building a pavilion in my civilian. It can't be the anarchy that humanity's feeling. A villain without remorse who's willing to out your boss forever and take all the cheddar like child support. I support Pun in anything he does, anything he loves. A brother from another mother sent for the above. A dark nigga just like me, one of the best might be. Even better, leaving niggas kneeling on their right knee. Spike Lee couldn't paint a better picture. You small change, I'm blowing out your brains, getting richer. Hit you with the Mac, smacking bitch, nigga, what? You getting stuck, my trigger fingers itchy as a fuck. Truck jewels, cruising in the land, pumping cash rules. Last crew to one, and caught 100 trying to pass through. That's true, so who the next to get it? TS the best that did it. Get it off your chest, get admitted, and it's yeah, and you don't stop. 20 shot clock with the cop killers, fiddler to the top. Yeah, and you don't stop. Joey cracks the rock, and Big Pun keeps the guns cocked. Yeah, and you don't stop. We'll make it hot, nigga. What? Bring it up, blow your whole spot. Yeah, and you don't stop. It's still 187 on an undercover guy. Fuck the police, I squeeze first, make him neat third, take him feet first through the morgue, then launch him in the deep earth. The streets curse, the First Amendment's culturally biased. Supposed to supply us with rights, tonight I hold my rosary tight as I can. I'm one man against the world, just me and my girl, Black Pearl, Latina, my Sfina, but keeps it real, you know the deal. We steal from the rich and keep it peeping, it's no secret. Watch me and Joe go back and forth and freak. Creep with me as I cruise in my Beamer. All the kids in the ghetto call me Don Cartagena, kicking ass as I blast off heat. And you never see me talk to police, so you should know that I really don't care. Pull you by the hair, slit your throat, and I'll leave you right there. So beware, it's rare that niggas want beef. Big Pun speak and let these motherfuckers know how we run the streets. Fuck peace, I run the streets deep with no compassion. Puerto Ricans known for slashing, catching niggas while they sleeping, no relaxing. Keep your eyes open, sharp reflexes. 3 Texas in the Jeep Lexus, just in case police test us. Street professors, terror squad, ghetto scholars, full of clips marked, inflicts the free regard when the metal hollers. Better acknowledge or get knocked down until I'm locked and shot down. Had the beat, couldn't make me put my clock down. We lock towns like rounds in the chamber, boogie down major like 9. I bust mine every time, plus I'm the crime boss of New York. When we talk to walk the walk, all my niggas carry chalk and stalk. I play like a predator. Whoever want it, gon' get it, set it, baby, and I'ma bury ya. So remember the squad that I'm reppin'. I'm full of clip of my weapon and punish niggas till it's Armageddon. Yeah, and you don't stop. 20 shot clock with the cop killers, fill up to the top. Yeah, and you don't stop. Joey cracks the rock, and Big Pun keeps the guns cocked. Yeah, and you don't stop. We'll make it hot, nigga. What? Bring it up on your whole spot. Yeah, and you don't stop. It's still 187 on an undercover guy. Yeah.